everybody, welcome to the live. We hope you're having a great night. I just wanted to come live real quick. I know a lot of people have been asking me questions about my do-it-yourself credit repair system that I've been talking about for almost 2 years now. And my son actually came to visit tonight, and so I said it would be a great time to actually go live with him and let him share some of the things that the business has done for him. I know you miss your brother. Yes, y'all. Shallow misses his brother. As you know, he doesn't live here anymore, so you have to excuse the noise. Okay. So, okay, guys, I want to introduce my son. This is my 18-year-old son, Datorian.
Hey, how's it going?
Like I said, we're just gonna come real quick and let you guys know what the do-it-yourself credit business is. Good thing I can be my own boss and work from home, because as you can see, the children are making noise, but I'm not making an excuse as to not share this information with you guys tonight. People have been asking, so I'm here to deliver that information. So this is my 18-year-old son, Datorian. I actually put him in the business with me the same day that I actually started the business. What action is he saying something? The same day that I put myself in, which was December the 30th of 2020. Yes, it was in the middle of COVID, but I didn't make any excuses. I went ahead, I got started because I was struggling to get my score over 700. I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong, what I was doing right. So I said, it's $39.95 because that's actually the cost that it is to get started. Not only can you fix your own credit, you get all the tools and access to all the knowledge that you need to do it yourself. You also get a letter writing system as well. So basically all you do is just put in your information and you print the letters out, you follow the instructions, what it tells you to do, you send them in, and bam, and we follow that process. And this process has helped millions of people. This company is a 17-year-old company. And like I said, I put my son in when he was 16 years old. He didn't even have a credit score at the time. But the thing with this business is there's no age limit. So actually 4 of my 6 children are in this business with me. My youngest 2 are the only ones that aren't in it, but I plan on positioning them in it as well because we all need financial literacy. So I'm going to let him just talk real quick and let you guys hear from him what the business did for him before he knew anything what it was doing for him, and once he turned 18, what it is doing for him now.
So as of last year, I really didn't know too much about credit. Didn't have any much of a credit score, credit history, anything like that. But since I've been in this business, I've been able to raise my credit score by way more than I would have expected in such a small amount of time that it doesn't seem real. It's helped me get 2 more of my cars. It's helped me keep my apartment. I'm switching over to a new job, so now I'm going to be able to correct my W-4, so I'm going to be able to bring in a lot more money, for myself instead of having to wait to the end of the year for taxes, because no one likes that. But so far the business has been very good to me. I'm very glad my mom brought me in early as she did.
Okay, so yes, his current. So what is your credit score? Well, the last time we checked.
Last time we checked, it was a 738.
So as you heard, he's 18 years old and he has a 738 credit score. I think when we first checked it, right when he hit 18, it was at like 675. But like the next month, in April, it went up to 736, and now as you heard him say, it's at 738. And every time he switches a job, I make sure that he goes in and corrects his W-4 so he can get some extra money throughout his check, whether it's an extra $25 or extra $50. That's something that he can use towards another bill, or he could use towards gas. No, as you said, yes. So, but soon he's gonna have his business credit in order, because our community offers a free step-by-step 3-part business credit videos that basically shows you step by step how to position your business credit, so he will have those business gas cards real soon. But he can use his mom's right now. He knows that, but you know, we talk about utilization, so he knows as far as his secure card to keep it under. He says he knows it's 30%, but I like to tell him to keep it under 10 if he can. I understand sometimes things happen and he may have to spend a little more, but as long as he knows to pay it off when the statement cuts, then he knows that his credit score is going to remain high. So we want to tell you about a quick incident that happened before we get off here, and it was about a hard inquiry where he had applied for something and he actually should have gotten approved for it, but he didn't for some reason. But it was approved later on down the line, but he decided not to even get it because y'all denied me the first time. But it caused his credit score to go down like 95 points. So he called me. He was like, "Mama, you know, when we applied for that, my score went down 97 points." So like I said, y'all, not only is this business knowledgeable with, you know, legit tools and knowledge for you to legitly remove things off your credit as far as credit card debt, collections, evictions, student loan, medical bills, etc. It also allowed I lost my train of thought. Not only does it allow you to fix all those things, but it also can allow you to bring home, you know, more money, pay off the debt, use it to invest in some things and do other things, but also you get access to up to 400 plus tax deductions. Like if you've ever look up and I'm talking to, when I say that, that's adding the travel portion of it, and that's going to be in a whole nother video. We're not going to talk about that. But back to the story. So the inquiry took his score down, so I immediately gave him the instructions on the hack that I knew what to do. He followed the hack step by step. He called me because his credit score actually went up 96 points, which was 1 point more than it actually went down. So that's just some things that we also teach each other to, you know, help you boost your score within 30 to 50 points within 5 days with our 5-day credit boost. And like I said, our community is just the people, to be around the people to motivate you, you know, to keep going. Because like I said, it's easy. It's just the click of a button. Everything is at your fingertip, so you don't have to work it at a certain time. If you know, if you're a night owl, you could look at it and do it then. If you are a person that wakes up early in the morning, you could do it then. You could do it within on 15-minute breaks at work or on your lunch. Like
whatever, by the pool, it doesn't matter.
You heard them, by the pool.
The environment is great, the people's great. You know what I'm saying? It definitely opens up a lot more doors than, you know, you ever thought that you may have. So
yeah, so he just started a new position, and that's it's actually a trade position, so I'm proud of him. I don't know if he wants to let everyone know what it is.
Nah, we're gonna keep it secret.
But just know that when he get home, he is going to look at the video. W4 video again. So when he gets his W4 information from the employer, he can do it correctly this first time before the end of the year and maximize his deductions. So if this information was helpful to you, or if you wanted to know how you can get your child involved or children involved, you can click the link or, you know, in my comments, or look at my bio. The information is there for you to just check it out. And I hope this information is useful for you, and we will come back live another time. We'll probably do this normally on Mondays, but the next time he may actually be at his home. I just thought it would be great since he actually just showed up, popped up to see his mom. I rarely don't get to see him, because not only does he work a lot, but he also has a YouTube growing gaming channel that he has, and you know, he enjoys his own apartment. He pays for it, so why not, you know, be home and enjoy it. So I hope this information helped you, and we hope you enjoyed it. If you watched us live, hit live. And if you watched the replay, hit #replay. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Have a great fall break.